to Out Your Shell. Today we're looking for a new property. This is one of them, but now I'll show you another one that we saw yesterday. The price that you'd have to pay to live in a typical home that's luxurious compared to others here in Cambodia. So Sai, Isa and I, we're going to show you a couple of properties at the budget of $250. So like, subscribe, let's find some simplistic happiness. Let's go. Pools being built, or the sides of the pools, planting some new grass. Sai's going to join us because we cannot leave him alone, being that teenage little shitbag. But for a place like this here, you're looking at $650, $700 a month. We pay $200 for a one-bedroom, massive living room. Nice place, as you would have seen in other videos. So Sai has learned how to get on the moped. Let's up. Ta-da! So the first property is what, $250? The roads to get here, horrible, dirty, just pure dirt, wet. Thought I was going to slip up. This could have been a whole different video. So here's the property. Okay, so the lovely owners here. Okay, comfier sofa than what we got. It's a nice smaller room though. I feel like if you put your shelves and stuff, it's not bad. Curtains, windows that open, which we don't have now. Yeah, good. Where we stay now, there's no openable windows. Okay, nice. Bathroom, one of the bedrooms. Good windows, closets, AC.
Yeah,
another room. And we will take one.
If you want a bed, you can buy.
Yeah, oh lovely, good. In kitchen space, another bathroom. Have to bring the gas stove. Nice. And it has garden area? Outside, okay. Door open for ventilation. Nice. Have to do some gardening.
Put the metal gate.
So for that place, they're looking at a year contract. I don't know if it probably is a common thing here with more the locals housing. There was no shelving, there's no storage. Everything is a blank canvas or even a mattress on the floor. But that place was $250, which isn't bad, but I also feel like you can get something nicer for $250. Okay, so the next day we're off to show you the second property. One thing to take into account is the landlord. Now, where we are, as you can see behind us, and this place that we're living at now, for $200, great little place. The staff are amazing. Actually, the staff have gotten so good that because I was walking down the road to get water and so on, they've set up a connection that you just message a lovely family who lives down the road with a shop, and they will bring you those giant big blue bottles of water. Now, the landlord here has been so good. He'll invite you out to events, family events. If there's a problem, like 2 days ago, we had a new fan installed because it was so hot. You don't want to spend money on an AC. So it's nice to look around at these properties and stuff, but also is your landlord going to be there and help out when needed, right? That's important too. So to look at this property, 16-minute drive, my protection, security is on board. It's good in the end. So we've met the lovely Lottazak who's going to show us around the drive. I'll show you when we leave. Very beautiful, very nice drive. So today everyone. Anyway, we can tie the dog up. Oh, beautiful, very nice. Nice courtyard.
She's on there.
Hi, so today. Lovely. Okay to look? Lovely, thank you. Oh, this is better. This is more cozy than... Nice. Beautiful sofa, TV. Kitchen space is nice. Big door out until wilderness. Comes with a fridge.
Big fridge?
Yeah. Very nice. Kitchen. Yeah, that is nicer. And the wall would be better for size. Some bananas. Beautiful banana tree. Look at that. That's really nice. Yeah, you get some of the rural field land. Oh yeah, water buffalo over there. This is better than the other one. So for this one here is $250. Now we pay $200, and I would say this is more homey than where we are. You got an empty room here with some windows that you can open. That's nice. This could be the Out Your Shell studio, you know. Bathroom, big shower room, typical sort of setup here. Oh wow, look at this place. Oh, and another bathroom in case I have the shits. And a bedroom with a bed. Now remember that first place where it was mattresses on the floor? Cambodia has a love for these like hard woods. My neighbour has a massive, extremely heavy 6-man to move table. We had to move that yesterday, that was bad. You know what, yeah, I do like this place. That front space. There's a dog there sniffing outside. Look at that. Yeah, 250 quid. You know what? If we was in that position where we could move, we have 2 months till we move. Well, I think we would end up with this place. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, it is. It's really nice. We've got a table. Kitchen's good enough. Living room is very cozy. You can have that big table we've got. A TV, storage.
No, the big table would be outside.
Yeah, move that one. And it's nice that the kitchen has a window as well. Yeah. Table and chairs out the front.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is nice. Size being a child. Look at him. Yeah, this is our favourite that we've actually seen viewing all our time in Cambodia. Some beautiful, beautiful plants coming up. You got your neighbours, and I think there's many of these accommodations along here than where we are now. So very nice, yeah. Lovely. I say Arkoun Jalan. Thank you. So we're gonna go, aren't we? Now that Sai's gotten older, he knows that he's young, strong, fast, very fast. So the dogs are a bit hesitant. But on that property that we just looked at, you can go for a walk. Guys, shush. You can go for a walk and just pass fields on either side of you. Oh. Some goats just over there watching us. You know what? It'd be a great little place to have a few chickens, a goat, a buffalo, a nice water buffalo. It'd be very nice. Yeah, it's a nice little place. The dirt road though, that will be a headache to be driving every time on a dirt road, especially when now it's wet season, rainy season. Yeah, not bad. Okay, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. The daily vlogs were doing well, so thank you for those that have met me in person, those of you that have commented, those of you that enjoy finding simplistic happiness within me. Eases off to get some gardening stuff. I'm going to continue trying to be creative, get some art supplies, and plan what your donations are going to do next. So the links are below for PayPal and Patreon if you want to support, bring Simplistic Happiness to those. Got some ideas coming up, so I might do a live stream. Otherwise, come at Shell, find Simplistic Happiness. Arkoun, bye, bye.
Okay.